Before I start this video, I want to ask you to support me by subscribing to my channel. And please like this video if you find it helpful. And of course, if you have some questions or suggestions, welcome to the comments. And we jump right in.
Hi everyone! Today we will explore the topic of using Newman, a powerful tool that lets you run and test your Postman collections directly from the command line. This capability is incredibly useful for integrating your API tests into continuous integration workflows like with Jenkins. In this guide we will walk through the essential steps: installing Newman on your system, exporting your Postman collections and environment variables, executing these collections via the command line, and finally generating informative HTML reports detailing the test results. Let's dive in. Installing Newman. The easiest way to install Newman is to use npm Node Package Manager. First, let's check the Node.js version using the command. And also check the npm version. As you can see, npm is not installed, so let's install the package manager. Refresh your local package index first. And now we directly install npm. Let's check the version again. Great, npm has been installed. Now we can install Newman using the following command. Exporting collections from Postman. Before running a collection using Newman, it needs to be saved to your computer. In addition to this, since I have environment variables, I also need to export them. running a collection via the command line. To run the collection, I open the console, navigate to the folder where the collection file was saved, and execute the command. Note that in my case there are environment variables, so we must use them when execute the command. Generating an HTML report from the run results. In this example, Newman HTML reporter will be used to generate the report. To install it, you need to execute the command. After installing the reporter, to run the collection and generate the report, you need to execute the command. As a result, inside the folder from which the command was executed, a Newman folder was created containing the report file. The report contains generated information for all requests as well as more detailed information for each individual request. And for today it's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.